how to promote your Temu affiliate links on Facebook. First of all, join the Temu affiliate program and get your unique referral link and copy it. Once you have it, you are ready to promote. Then share your affiliate link on relevant Facebook groups, your business page, or your personal profile. Make sure to provide valuable content around the product like reviews or benefits. After that, create engaging posts with eye-catching images or videos that showcase the product, write clear and concise descriptions, and ask your followers to check it out using your affiliate link. If you want more reach, use Facebook ads to target specific audiences who are more likely to engage with your affiliate link. And that's how you promote Temu affiliate links on Facebook. Thanks for watching.